This year, IMTS 2024 is going to be an exciting show for all of us. We're going to show some great technology, things that you haven't ever seen from Okuma. One of the great things that we're going to show is our new automation group and the skill set that we bring to the marketplace. So when you come to IMTS, you're going to see some of the latest and greatest automation techniques implemented with the Okuma machine tools to really spark your interest in what are the possibilities for your manufacturing facility. We as a company are really dedicated to solving problems in the marketplace. We're not here to sell you a machine, we're here to advance manufacturing and advance the use of technology in your manufacturing process. What does open possibilities mean to you as a potential Okuma customer or an existing one? We put in your hands the ability to utilize technology to win more contracts, produce better and more accurate parts for manufacturing. Through this technology, it allows you and your company to accelerate the employment and the longevity of business and manufacturing in communities. Throughout the last 10 to 20 years, we have evolved in technology that allows the small job shop and even the large industrial manufacturers to integrate automation much simpler than we did in the past. And we look forward to seeing you at IMTS so that you can experience the Okuma difference.